Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to Vinchelo. Today we are making a very special moi moi recipe with a twist. But trust me, this is not your regular moi moi. This one is richly loaded with natural healthy ingredients and flavors. Believe me, this is moi moi like you've never had before. So let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here we have coconut, deboned fish, crayfish, groundnut oil, seasoning cubes, ginger and garlic. Coconut is one of our special ingredients. I know that so many people are not aware that coconut is a vital ingredient inside moi moi. Trust me, it takes moi moi taste from 0 to 100. Another special ingredient we'll be introducing is bone marrow. Bone marrow is a good source of collagen which supports skin and joint health and is also good for babies. Here we have the star of the show, oga patapata of the recipe, because there's no moi moi without beans. In this video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to peel and wash beans. In a situation where you don't have any food processor that can easily peel your beans and you have a mortar available in your kitchen, this process is for you. Here you add your desired quantity of beans, but I'm using 7 cups of beans for this recipe. Soak it with water for like 5 to 10 minutes so it can soften a bit, then pound it until the chaff starts coming off. As you can see, the chaff is easily coming off gradually. When you get this consistency, know that the beans is ready for washing. Wash and rinse the beans carefully to get rid of all the chaff. Do this repeatedly so you can get rid of the chaff. As you can see, after repeating the process, we've gradually gotten rid of all the chaff. Here, I'm prepping the beans for blending, and these are more ingredients that is very essential in the making of moi moi. Here we have pepper, shombo, and onion. Remember, the pepper you use should be according to your taste or your preference. We blend ingredients like pepper, shombo, onion, crayfish, coconut, ginger and garlic together with the beans until we get a smooth paste. Here is the final result after blending. Next is to mix in the other ingredients so that everything incorporates well. Go in with the salt, chicken flavor, seasoning cubes and stir consistently so that all the ingredients will mix thoroughly. If you've made it this far, you are clearly enjoying it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more kitchen moments. Pour in the marrow stock and save some of the marrow for later. It was previously cooked with seasoning cubes, pepper and salt for 10 minutes. Go in with the deboned fish and add the vegetable oil, which is very important for moisture. Remember, the marrow has already added oil to the mixture, so please be careful with the oil so it won't be excess. You place the pot on fire with little water. Remember, moi moi doesn't need plenty water to cook. It only needs a low heat and steady steam to boil gradually. Today, we are making use of aluminium moi moi cones. Remember the previously saved marrow. I'll be adding to each of the cones so that they will have that strong meaty flavor. This is me adding the cones to the boiling pot. Always make sure that the water is half the height of the cones. This is applicable to those making use of cones. Place it carefully and cover it to boil. While it's boiling, ensure that you trap in the steam. Here is me using a sack bag. Always make sure the water doesn't dry up to avoid it burning. After steaming for a while, our moi moi is ready. Let me know in the comment section what else you would like to add to your moi moi, and also let me know what you would be pairing with it. Now look at this soft, smooth and flavor-packed goodness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more kitchen moments.